Have sex, damn it!
What are you doing?
I'm raising Chocobos. What's it look like?
Looks depraved. Don't you think we should go fight Sephiroth? I hear he's up to that evil stuff.
First, screw you. Second, it's not. I'm attempting to raise the mythical super golden Chocobo through controlled breeding. By exploiting family lines, I'll breed the offspring together, then harness the power of the resulting colored Chocobo. That being the ability to cross any land. Once I get it, I'll be able to collect to the last materia summoned.
So you're getting freak Chocobos through inbreeding?
Well, I would be if they just have sex already!
So what do you do with the ones that don't work?
Just release them out back.